Welcome to the evolution of gears. This has been on my mind for many, many years. When I was a kid, I had Legos and a bunch of gears, and I used an electric motor and I think a rubber band or whatever and made them all turn, and it was pretty amazing. But ever since I saw someone else make a table with gears, I'm like, I'm going to make one of those. And I just collected gears for a couple of years, and then I decided to get to work on it. Anyways, the inspiration was these two Nautilus gears, and after getting those made, it was like I couldn't stop thinking about it. So anyway, he cut me out some demonstration ones out of particle board for me to mock up while he fabricated me the ones out of aluminum. But this was just to get me going. Anyway, you'll see coming up, the Nautilus gears work pretty good. And anyway, this has been my most exciting accomplishment in furniture yet. And, my fabrication
Someone say
skills are
Nautilus
pretty good
gears?
these days.
What? Well, it was inspired by the tattoo. Fibonacci, rule of thirds. If you don't know, look it up. That's right. Somebody here is a genius or a mad scientist. Now, if I could just make everything turn at once, I might have something. I can't believe that works.
My neighbor's reaction, he's the aluminum ones, yeah. Everybody's in amazement. All right, so I'm gonna have to make the chain really, really nice, just because nobody's going to take it apart after the fact. Look at the link, the master link, flopping in the breeze there. Ugh, I hate taking the chain off this thing. She's running. She's been running for like 5 minutes. All right, I'm ready to make the legs. All right, it's Sunday. I'm late for work at the gallery. What's new? I had to add one more new gear because there's a big hole right here. And I just wasn't feeling balanced. You know, just was a little empty right there at the junction. And I would have to say, I like it. I had to make this gear. I had to cut a gear in half and split it so the teeth were skinny. I need to refine it a little bit, but I just wanted to get it in there. Anyway, there's the new gear. Happy New Gear. Okay, I gotta get my butt to the gallery before I get in trouble. All right, well, it's not a table until it has glass on it. It looks like, and legs. It's officially a table. Please like,
got a long way to
comment,
go.
and subscribe.
A lot of refinement.
And stay tuned for the finale of this building.
It's got a nice
The
aesthetic.
evolution of gears.
I feel like it could use another gear right there. Or did I do this wrong? Did we have this going straight or did that go around there? I don't remember this going straight here.
Yeah, that's where it was.
Okay. It needs something there. How did I do that? I could have sworn
It still needs to go down. It's still trying to walk off.
this gear needs to go lower. Yeah, and my chain, you can see the
Yeah,
link.
just saw it jumping.
The chain is going to be my weakest link. I'm just going to have to make friends with the chain tool and take apart a bunch of chain and just really just...
This needs to go lower. That needs to go lower.
This can't, I can't make that lower. It's just already where I got to adjust and everything else accordingly.
I saw that.
But it is cool.
It is.
I could sworn that maybe somehow I went like that. But then how would that do that?
That's exactly how it was.
That's weird. That's not like me to have a whole straight line like that. But I guess I did. But I could put another gear in there.
Yeah.
And I have one.
There you go.
And it would just make it, you know, push it that way a little bit. God, that chain's so monkey.
This one's pretty high too.
Well, well, well. Yeah. You know.